Welcome to Naroz Masters Academy, 10th class Mathematics, Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry, Exercise 7.2. In this exercise, completely based on the section formula, that is P of x, comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now look at the first problem. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining the points x1, comma y1 and x2, comma y2 in the ratio of 2:3. Here x1, comma y1 are -1, comma 7, x1, comma y1 and x2, comma y2 in the ratio of 2:3. So these are m1, comma m2. So use the section formula, that is P of x, comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So substitute the values of x1, comma y1, x2, comma y2 and m1, comma m2. Then you will get the coordinate of the line which is dividing the line segment in the ratio of 2:3. Okay, na? So that is m1 is 2, 2 into x2 is 4 plus m2 is 3 into x1 is -1 by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3, m1 is 2 into y2 is -3 plus m2 is 3 into y1 is 7 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3, that equal to 2 4 8 minus this is x1 is -1, this is 1. So this is -3 by 5, comma 2 minus 3 times this is -6 plus 3 7 times 21 by 5. So this is that equal to 8 minus 3, that is 5 by 5, comma this is 15 by 5, that equal to 1, comma 3. These are the coordinate points, okay na, which divides the line segment joining the points these two. Now look at the next question. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points 4, comma -1 and -2, comma -3. So trisection means 3 equal parts. Draw the line whose coordinates are x1, comma y1, that is 4, comma -1 and x2, comma y2, so that is -2, comma -3. Maybe this is this side by the coordinates, so -2, comma -3. Let me take it as x1, comma y1, x2, comma y2. Okay, and in the ratio here clearly given that the trisection, so divide into 3 parts, so 1 2 3, so 3 equal parts. So either in the ratio of 1:2 or 2:1. If you take from this coordinate, so let me take it as A and this is B. So AB in the ratio either 1:2 or 2:1. So take both. First take it as 1:2. So M1, comma M1 is to M2 is equal to 1:2. Okay. And X1, this one, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Now substitute this in the same formula, that is section formula. So P of x, comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So here m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. So 1 into x2 is minus 2 plus m2 is 2. 2 into x1 is 4 by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2, comma. So 1 into y2 minus 3 plus 2 into y1 minus 1 by 1 plus 2. So here it is minus 2 and plus 8 by 3, comma. Here it is minus 3 minus 2. So minus 5 by 3. Okay. Now look at here. So that equal to minus 2 plus 8 is 6. 6 by 3, comma, minus 5 by 3. That equal to 6 by 3 is 2. So 2 comma minus 5 by 3 are the coordinates. So this is one coordinate. If you take 2 is to 1 ratio, then if m1 comma m2 is equal to m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 1, then the same formula. This is again m1 is 2 here. So 2 into x1, m1 into x2 here. So x2 is minus 2 plus 1 into x1 is 4 by 2 plus 1, comma. Again m1 into y2. So m1 is 2 into y2 is minus 3 plus m2 is 1 into y1 is minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So that equal to 2 into 2, that is minus 4 plus 4 by 3, comma. 2 into 3 is minus 6 minus 1 by 3. So here it is minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. So this is 0 by 3, that is 0 minus 7 by 3. So the coordinates are 0 comma minus 7 by 3. These are the two coordinates. The first coordinate is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. The second coordinate is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Maybe these 2 points are this side, maybe. That depends on the line coordinates by taking us. Okay, now look at the question number 3. So these are the 2 coordinate points. Question number 3. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 is minus 1 comma 6. So already here given clearly. So the coordinate point is given, dividing the coordinate point is given, and these are the actual coordinates points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Here p of x comma y is given. So we need to find the ratio, that is m1 is to m2. So here p of x comma y is equal to minus 1 comma 6 and x1 comma y1 are x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Okay. Now substitute in this formula again. P of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, now here m1 and m2 we need to find that one. Okay, now substitute p of x comma y are minus 1 comma 6 is equal to m1 into x2. X2 is how much? 6. So m1 into 6, okay, plus m2 into x1, that is minus 3 by m1 plus m2. Okay, again m1 into y2 is minus 8 plus m2 into y1 is 10. by m1 plus m2. Okay, so this is now from this coordinate we can say that equate this x coordinate with this term and y coordinate with this term. Okay, so m1 into 6 or 6m1, 6 times of m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 1 comma, and this one is, if you send this m1 plus m to this side, then 6m 1 minus 3m2 is equal to minus m1 minus m2. Okay, then 6m1 plus m1 is equal to minus m2 plus 3m2. So this is 7m1 is equal to 2 times of m2. So this is m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. So the ratio of m1 is to m2 is m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. This is the answer. Okay, now if you want to check by this one y coordinates, then you equate to 6. So m1 minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to 6. If you send this side, then it will become 6 times of m1 plus m2. So minus 8m1 plus 10m2 is equal to 6m1 plus 6m2. So all m1 terms one side and m2 terms one side. If you send this 6m1, this side it will become minus 8m1 minus 6m1 is equal to 6m1 6m2 minus 10m2. Okay, this is minus 14m1 is equal to minus 4m2, and 2 times 2 7 times, again minus minus gets cancelled, so 7m1 is equal to 2m2. Then m1 by m2 is equal to, again you got 2 by 7 only. So what is the ratio here? 2 is to 7. So ratio in which line segments joining these points is divided is 2 is to 7. Okay, na? Now look at the next question. Question number 4. If 1 comma 2, 4 comma y and x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order, find x comma y. Okay, to find the vertices of the parallelogram x comma y, so draw the parallelogram. Okay, and join these corners. Is take it as A, B, C and D. So join the corners, diagonals of this parallelogram. So this is x1 comma y1, that is 1 comma 2, next 2 comma y2, that is 4 comma y, and x3 comma y3, x comma 6, x4 comma y4, that is 3 comma 5. So equate these two, the points of D and B equal to A and C. Okay, na? So then find the values of, equate both AC is equal to BD. So AC, that is x1 plus x3. So 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6 by 2 equal to, so here 4 plus 3 by 2 comma 5 plus 9, 5 plus y by 2. Now you get x terms and y terms. So x terms are 1 plus 2, 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2. 1 plus x, so here 2 gets cancels. So 1 plus x is equal to 4 plus 3. So 1 plus x is equal to 7 x is equal to 7 minus 1, that equal to x is equal to 6 here, and equate y terms. So 2 plus 6, that is 8 by 2 is equal to 5 plus y by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So this is 8 is equal to y 5 plus y. So y is equal to 8 minus 5. So y is equal to 3. So the coordinates are x comma y is equal to 6 comma 3. Okay. The coordinate points are 6 comma 3 here. Now look at the question number 5. Find the coordinates of point A, where AB is the diameter of the circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. First draw the circle. Where AB is the diameter of the circle. So if you draw the diameter like this is your center point. So this is A and this is B. So what is center point here? 2 comma minus 3. So this is midpoint. Okay, and B is 1 comma 4. Then find A. So basically we know that the formula for midpoint, that is, if you take this is a line segment, the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2. So this is x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So that is midpoint formula. So midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So here x1 comma y1 are unknown values and x2 y2 are given and midpoint is also given. Midpoint is what? 2 comma minus 3. So equate 2 comma minus 3 with x1 is unknown plus x2 is 1 by 2 comma y1 is unknown plus y2 is 4 by 2. So equate x term with x term. So this is x1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 and y1 plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. Then x1 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. So x1 is equal to 4 minus 1, that equal to 3. So x1 is equal to 3 and y1 is, so this is 4. So y1 plus 4 is equal to 2 3 times minus 6. So y1 is equal to, so minus 6 minus 4. So y1 is equal to minus 10. So the coordinate points are 3 comma minus 10. 3 comma minus 10. Okay, this is the value of point A. Coordinates of A are 3 comma minus 10. Now look at the question number 6 next. If A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P on AB such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. If you draw a line AB, this is point A, point B. So this is line segment AB. Okay. So the coordinates of A are minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma minus 2 and B are 2 comma minus 4. Okay. Now if you divide this line such that AP is equal to from A to P, so point P is somewhere here in between AB is equal to 3 by 7 times of AB. So total length is 7. Okay. So AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7. So AB is equal to 7. If you take it as 7 units. So what is AP? AP is 3 units. So from A to P, so that is 3. So this is 3 units. Total is 7. So what is the P to B? 4 units. Total 7. So this is in the ratio of 3:4. So what is the ratio here? 3:4 is the ratio. M1 is to M2. Okay. What he asked in the question? Find the coordinates of P. So what are the coordinates here? X comma Y. So we know that formula P of X is equal to Phi of X comma Y is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2 comma M2 X1 M2 Y or M1 Y2 M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. Okay. Now here X1 comma Y1 X2 comma Y2. So M1 comma M2 are given here clearly. So 3 comma 4. So this is 3 into X2 is 2 plus 4 into X1 is minus 2 by 3 plus 4 comma 3 into Y2 is minus 4 plus 4 into Y1 is minus 2 by 3 plus 4. So that equal to 3 to the 6 minus 8 by 7 comma minus 12 minus 8 minus 12 minus 8 by 7. That equal to 6 minus 8 means minus 1 by minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7 are the coordinates here. Minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7 are the coordinate points. So now look at the next question. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining A and B into 4 equal parts. So divide the line segment into 4 equal parts first. So draw the line segment AB. So this is A and this is B. So your coordinates are minus 4 comma 0. Y coordinate is 0 here and here X coordinate is 0. Okay na? So here 0 comma 6 and divide into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts are there. So to find these coordinate points, so if you take this point, so here 1 unit and this side 3 units. So it is 1 is to 3. Here it is 2 is to 2. Here it is 3 is to 1. Take 3 times. So the first time M1 is equal to M2 is equal. M1 and M2 are 1 is to 3. So P of X comma Y is equal to M1 into X2 plus M2 into X1 by M1 plus M2 comma M1 into Y2 plus M2 into Y1 by M1 plus M2. So in first case, take 1 is to 3. So case 1. So here M1 is to M2 is equal to what? 1 is to 3. Okay. Or you can also take the midpoint formula. So to first find this one and then again midpoint of these two and then again midpoint of these two. So in that way also we can do. Okay. Now first let me do this in this way. So 1 is to 3. So x1 comma y1 are x1 comma y1 minus 4 comma 0 and x2 y2. So here it is m1 is 1 and x2 is 0 plus m2 is 3 and x1 is minus 4 by m1 plus m2 that is 1 plus 3 comma 1 into y2 is 6 plus m2 that is 3 into y1 is 0 by 1 plus 3. So this is 0 minus 12 by 4 comma 6 plus 0 that is 6 by 4. So here 4 ones 4 threes. So this is minus 3 comma 3 2 twos 2 threes. So 3 by 2 So the answer for this is for one coordinate here. If you take m is equal to m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 2. If you take case 2, this is case 2. Then 2 into 0 plus 2 into minus 4 by 2 plus 2, comma 2 into 6 plus 2 into 0 by 2 plus 2. So here minus 8 by 4, comma 12 by 4, that equal to, so this is minus 8 by 4 means what? 4 ones, 4 twos. So this is minus 2 and this is 3. So minus 2 comma 3. Here the coordinate is minus 2 comma 3. If you take 3 is to 1, case 3, 3 is to 1, then 3 into 0 plus 2, 1 into minus 4 by 3 plus 1, comma 3 into 6 plus 1 into 0 by 3 plus 1. Here x2, x1, y2, y1 like that. Okay, the same formula. And this is 3 into 0 is 0, minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 4 here. This is 18 by 4. That equal to, so this is minus 1, comma, this is 18 by 4 means 2 times, 2 9 times. So this is 9 by 2. So these are the coordinate points. Okay, na? Now look at the next question, question number 8. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining A and B in 4 equal parts. Again, divide this same question, but with the different coordinates here. Line segment AB. So this is A and this is B. Divide into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, find the coordinate points. This point, and this point. Same procedure like as previous one. Okay. So here the ratio is 1 is to 3. Here the ratio is 2 is to 2. Here the ratio is 3 is to 1. And coordinates are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 8. So this is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. Okay. Substitute in this formula. P of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is the formula, and use this formula for 3 cases. Case 1, that is 1 is to 3. m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to 3. So case 1, here m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 3. Okay, and x1 comma y1 are same values in all cases, x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now do that. F x comma y is equal to, so m1 is 1 into x2 is 2 plus m2 is 3 into, and x1 is minus 2 by 1 plus 3, comma, so 1 into y2 is 8 plus 3 into y1 is minus 2 by 1 plus 3. That equal to 1 2 times 2 plus minus 6. So this is 2 minus 6 by 4, comma 8 minus 6 by 4. So 2 minus 6 means minus 4 by 4, comma minus here 2 by 4. That equal to minus 1, comma 1 by 2. These are the coordinates. This is the first coordinate point when it is 1 is to 3 ratio. Now case 2. Let me change the color here. 2:2 ratio. Okay, na? P of x comma y is equal to. So m2 into m1 into x2. So m1 is 2 here. 2 into 2 plus then 2 into minus 2 by 2 plus 2 comma 2 into 8 plus 3 again 2 into minus 2 by 2 plus 2, that equal to 2 to the 4 plus minus 4, this is 0, 4 minus 4 by 4 comma 16 minus 4 by 4. So this is 0, this is 8 by 4, that equal to 0 comma 2. So this is 0 comma 2 here, this coordinate. Now case 3, when you take 3:1, the ratio, let me erase this one. Case 3, that is 3:1. Substitute again in this formula, P of x comma y. So m1 is 3, 3 into m and x2 is 2, 3 into 2 plus m2 is 1 into x1 is minus 2 by 3 plus 1 comma 3 into 8, y2 is 8 plus 1 into y1 is minus 2 by 3 plus 1. So this is 6 minus 2 by 4 comma 24 minus 2 by 4, that equal to 6 minus 2, 4 by 4 comma 22 by 4 is equal to 1, and this is 11 by 2. So these are the 3 cases and these are the 3 coordinate points of this question. Now look at the question number 9. Okay. Find the coordinates of points which divides the line segment joining the points a plus b comma a minus b and a minus b comma a plus b in the ratio 3:2. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, m1, m2. So find the coordinates, that is p of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So this is x coordinate, and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is y coordinate. So substitute the values here. m1 is 3. 3 into x2 is a minus b plus m2 is 2. x1 is a plus b by 3 plus 2 comma m1 is 3 into x2. y2 is a plus b plus 2 into y1 is a minus b by 3 plus 2. So here 3a minus 3b, 3a minus 3b plus 2a plus 2b by 5 comma 3a plus 3b plus 2a minus 2b by 5. Okay. Now look at the next. 3a plus 2a, that is 5a minus 3b plus 2b. So this is minus b by 5, comma 3a plus 2a, that is 5a, 3b minus 2b, that is plus b, by 5. So these are the coordinates. 5a minus b by 5 and 5a plus b by 5. These are the two coordinates points. Okay, na? Now look at the next question. Find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangles with vertices. So here triangle vertices are given. If you draw a triangle whose vertices are given here clearly like this. So if you take it as triangle, the vertices A, B, C, three coordinates are given. Then to find the centroid of the each triangle, so here for three coordinates, write x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, like that. The same formula for 3 out of 3 questions. Okay, so the formula is centroid is equal to p of x comma y. So this is centroid. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the formula for each case. Here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Again here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now what is the coordinate? First coordinate here. So p of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, that equal to x1 minus 1 plus 6 minus 3 by 3 comma y1 is 3 plus y2 is minus 3, so let me write it as minus 3, and plus y3 is 6 by 3. So minus 1 plus minus 3, that is 4, minus 4 plus 6, that is 2 by 3 comma minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled, 6 by 3, that is 2. So the first centroid of the first triangle is this one. For the second triangle again, x1 plus x2 plus x3, that is 6 plus 0 plus 4 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3. So 2 plus 0 minus 7 by 3, that equal to 6 plus 4, 10 by 3 comma 2 minus 7, that is minus 5 by 3. So these are the coordinates, centroid of this triangle. And for the next question, x1 plus x2 plus x3. So 1 plus 0 minus 3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 minus 1 plus 6 plus 0 by 3, that equal to 1 minus 3 is minus 2 by 3 comma minus 1 plus 6, that is minus plus 5 by 3. So these are the centroids of each individual triangles here, centroids of each triangles. Okay, na? So with this, the exercise is over. All 10 out of 10 questions. So thank you for watching Naroz Masters Academy. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and support my channel. Thank you.